to start a business that helps kids learn and grow? Check out these 25 top earning ideas for children's services. Let's get started. 1. Indoor play centers. Imagine a safe and stimulating environment where kids can play, learn, and socialize. Indoor play centers offer a variety of activities like ball pits, slides, climbing structures, and arts and crafts. These centers provide a much-needed outlet for children's energy while also fostering their social and emotional development. Cater to a wide range of ages and can even host birthday parties, making them a reliable source of repeat business for you. 2. Babysitting nanny service. Running a babysitting or nanny service isn't just about childcare, it's about providing parents with peace of mind. By offering trustworthy, reliable caregivers and flexible hours, you can build a loyal client base. Add services like last-minute bookings or specialized care for infants, and you'll be catering to a need that's only growing with busy schedules. 3. Arcade centers. Arcade centers are making a nostalgic return, blending classic games with modern digital adventures. This is more than a gaming business. It's a place where kids, and even families, can come together for hours of fun. Offer reward systems or themed nights, and you'll see how the combination of excitement and competition keeps customers coming back. 4. Sensory room. A sensory room is designed to offer therapeutic experiences, particularly for children with special needs or sensory sensitivities. It's a space filled with calming lights, sounds, and textures, creating a refuge that helps kids relax and develop sensory awareness. 5. Virtual reality experience. Bring the future to the present with a virtual reality experience designed for kids. With child-friendly games and educational simulations, kids can travel to new worlds without leaving the room. Offering this as a service for birthday parties or special events gives you an edge, as it's an innovative form of entertainment that leaves a lasting impression. 6. Kids Toy Store. A kids' toy store can be a magical space where fun meets creativity. By offering a unique selection of toys, from eco-friendly options to educational games, you'll attract families looking for quality play. Hosting interactive events like toy demos or crafting sessions can make your store a destination for playful experiences. With the right mix of products and engaging activities, your shop can become the go-to spot for joyful discoveries. 7. Toddler Gyms. Toddler gyms are booming as parents seek ways for their little ones to develop motor skills in a fun and safe environment. These spaces are filled with soft play equipment, climbing areas, and small obstacle courses that encourage movement and growth. You can even offer classes tailored to different developmental stages, which appeals to parents wanting structured playtime. 8. Teddy Bear Claw Machine. A unique and adorable concept, teddy bear claw machines allow kids to choose their own cuddly companion. Placing these in malls, amusement parks, or family-friendly venues provides kids with instant access to their very own soft, cuddly friends. 9. Party planning for kids. Kids' parties have transformed from simple gatherings to elaborate events, and that's where a party planning service comes in. You can design unforgettable themed parties, from superheroes to fairy tale adventures, complete with decor, entertainment, and activities. By handling every detail, from invitations to the cake, you'll relieve parents of the stress and leave kids with magical memories. 10. Baby Boutique. A baby boutique is a chic, niche business where you can offer stylish clothing, toys, and accessories for newborns and toddlers. By stocking high-quality, trendy items that appeal to fashion-conscious parents, you'll create a loyal clientele. Offering exclusive or locally made products can set your boutique apart and encourage repeat visits. 11. Kids-friendly fitness classes. Fitness for kids is becoming just as important as it is for adults, making kids-friendly fitness classes a fantastic business opportunity. From yoga to dance to martial arts, creating a fun and active atmosphere helps children develop healthy habits early on. Offering classes that are playful and interactive ensures that kids stay engaged while learning the basics of movement and discipline. 12. Tutoring Service. A tutoring service focuses on providing personalized learning experiences for children who need extra academic support. You can offer one-on-one tutoring or group sessions in subjects like math, reading, and science. Specialized programs for test prep or enrichment classes can also attract parents eager to see their children excel academically. 13. After-school programs. After-school programs provide working parents with peace of mind, knowing their children are in a safe and enriching environment. These programs can range from sports and arts to homework help and social activities. By offering a variety of activities, you can appeal to a wide range of interests and help children develop new skills outside the classroom. 14. Children's Transportation Service. Busy parents often need help with getting their children to and from school or extracurricular activities, making a children's transportation service an ideal business. Providing a safe, reliable service with trained drivers can alleviate the stress of managing multiple schedules. Offering door-to-door service will further enhance convenience and attract long-term clients. 15. Kids Coding Classes. With technology at the forefront of education, kids coding classes are a gateway to a future in tech. Teaching children how to code through fun, interactive lessons can help them develop logical thinking and problem-solving skills. You can offer these classes after school or during school holidays, catering to kids of different ages and skill levels. 16. Eco-friendly toys rentals. Eco-conscious parents are always looking for ways to reduce waste, and offering a rental service for eco-friendly toys fits perfectly with this trend. You can rent out toys made from sustainable materials, giving kids access to quality playthings without the environmental impact of buying new ones. It's a sustainable business that appeals to parents who care about both fun and the planet. 17. Educational games. Designing or selling educational games taps into the growing demand for products that combine learning with play. These games can range from puzzles and brain teasers to board games that teach math or language skills. By offering games that are both fun and enriching, you'll have a business that appeals to both kids and parents alike. 18. Art classes for kids. If you're artistically inclined, offering art classes for kids can turn your passion into profit. Kids love to express themselves through painting, drawing, and crafting, and your classes can inspire their creativity. By focusing on different techniques or materials, you can offer a unique experience that keeps children coming back for more. 19. Personalized storybooks. Parents love giving their children something special, and personalized storybooks allow you to make the child the star of their own adventure. You can create customized books that feature the child's name and likeness, turning ordinary stories into magical experiences. It's a thoughtful gift idea that parents will treasure, making this a highly marketable business. 20. DIY crafting kits. DIY crafting kits for kids are perfect for hands-on fun at home. Each kit contains everything a child needs to complete a project, from painting wooden figures to building birdhouses. By offering themed or seasonal kits, you can encourage creativity while keeping kids entertained and engaged during downtime. 21. Music schools. Starting a music school focused on children opens up opportunities for young learners to develop their musical talents. Whether it's piano, guitar, or vocal lessons, music schools help children build confidence and discipline through artistic expression. You can offer group lessons, one-on-one instruction, or even summer music camps to keep your schedule full year-round. 22. Children's photography. Parents love documenting their kids' growth, and starting a photography business that specializes in children's portraits is a lucrative niche. From newborn photo shoots to family sessions, you can capture milestone moments that families will cherish for years. Offering themed or seasonal photo shoots can keep your calendar full with repeat clients. 23. STEM learning centers. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math learning centers offer hands-on activities that help kids develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These centers focus on engaging children in experiments, robotics, and even coding, preparing them for a tech-driven future. Offering camps, workshops, and after-school programs gives parents a flexible way to integrate STEM education into their children's lives. 24. Outdoor education programs. Outdoor education programs introduce kids to the wonders of nature through guided activities like hiking, wildlife observation, and environmental science lessons. These programs provide children with an escape from screen time and an opportunity to learn about the natural world. You can design programs for schools or run them as camps during weekends and school breaks. 25. Subscription boxes for kids. Subscription boxes for kids offer the thrill of getting new, themed goodies delivered right to their door each month. You can create boxes filled with educational toys, books, crafts, or even STEM kits that keep kids entertained and learning. Parents appreciate the convenience, while kids love the excitement of discovering something new. And there you have it, 25 exciting business ideas that can turn your love for working with kids into a successful venture. Whether your passion lies in education, entertainment, or fitness, there's a perfect opportunity waiting for you. Be sure to subscribe for more inspiring ideas.